Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every car owner should be aware of, the symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid. If you've been experiencing some issues with your vehicle's shifting, this video is for you. So, let's get started. What is a transmission shift solenoid? Before we jump into the symptoms, let's quickly understand what a transmission shift solenoid is. A shift solenoid is a small but mighty little valve that's responsible for regulating the flow of hydraulic fluid in your transmission. In simple terms, it's an electro-hydraulic valve that controls the flow of transmission fluid in your car's automatic transmission, allowing your vehicle to shift gears smoothly. This fluid is what helps to engage and disengage the different gears in your car. So, when a shift solenoid goes bad, it can cause all sorts of problems with how your car shifts. Common symptoms. Now, let's talk about the common symptoms that indicate a bad transmission shift solenoid. Remember, experiencing one or more of these signs doesn't necessarily mean your solenoid is faulty, but it's worth investigating further. 1. Delayed or erratic shifting. One of the most noticeable signs is a delay or hesitation when shifting gears. You might feel a lag between shifting or experience abrupt gear changes. The transmission may take longer than usual to shift gears, or it may not shift at all. 2. Stuck in gear. If your vehicle gets stuck in a particular gear and refuses to shift, it could be a clear indication of a faulty shift solenoid. 3. Gear slippage. Another symptom is gear slippage, where your vehicle unexpectedly slips out of gear while driving. This can be dangerous and requires immediate attention. 4. Overheating transmission. A bad shift solenoid can cause excessive heat buildup in your transmission. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge and be cautious if it starts to rise unexpectedly. 5. Warning lights on dashboard. Illuminated check engine light. If the transmission shift solenoid is malfunctioning, it may trigger warning lights on the dashboard. The check engine light or the transmission warning light may come on. Don't ignore it, get your vehicle checked by a professional. 6. Jerking or hesitating while shifting gears. A bad transmission shift solenoid may cause the vehicle to jerk or hesitate while shifting gears. This can be dangerous, especially if it happens while driving at high speeds. 7. Skipping gears. In some cases, a bad shift solenoid can cause your car to skip gears altogether. You might try to accelerate, but your car will just rev up without actually going into the next gear. What to do next? If you've experienced any of these symptoms, it's crucial to address the issue promptly. It is important to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. They will be able to diagnose the problem and recommend the appropriate repairs. Visit a trusted mechanic or an auto repair shop to perform a diagnostic scan. This will help identify the specific problem and confirm if it's a bad transmission solenoid. In most cases, a bad transmission shift solenoid will need to be replaced. This involves removing the old solenoid and installing a new one. The cost of this repair will vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle, as well as the location of the repair shop. A bad transmission shift solenoid can be a real pain, but it's important to remember that it's not the end of the world. If you catch it early and get it fixed, you can avoid a lot of damage and expense. In some cases, the problem may be caused by a faulty wiring connection or a blown fuse. These issues can be fixed relatively easily and inexpensively. It is important to address any transmission problems as soon as possible, as they can quickly escalate and lead to more serious issues. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent transmission problems from occurring in the first place. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe for more helpful car maintenance tips.